So I gave you homework, yeah? So have you done it? Have you done it? Have you done your homework?
I mistake. How many days are we doing?
We are meeting. So for this, 3 days a week. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we are not meet. I'm not meeting the intermediate students right now. I mean, intermediate student. No, because I don't have much time now. So only elementary and pre-intermediate. Yeah. So
Do you like your job?
of course, very much. I'm enjoying it. Especially, I like teaching that young novices, pre-ready novices from ABC. I'm teaching them phonics, how to pronounce, so from very basic level. So I'm thinking like maybe in 4 year time, they might be around B1, B2 level. That means like about pre-intermediate or intermediate, lower intermediate, So they will speak very good English at the time now. Okay. So you didn't do your homework? Did you do it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me about your homework. So I gave you some questions. Yeah. Questions and answers. Okay. So are you ready to practice with your friends? Ask and answer the questions. Okay. So let's do it about 5 minutes. Okay. With your friend. Ask and answer the questions. So number two. So I asked you to study these 12 expressions, right? Fall asleep to wake up. So are there any things that you don't know here? What about feel energetic? Do you know that? Feel energetic. Yeah. Okay. So do you usually feel energetic in the morning?
Yes.
Yes. And what about in the evening? Are you no? So what do you feel? Feel tired? Do you feel tired in the evening? Feel tired like yeah, feel tired. In the morning, energetic, but in the evening, feel tired. So you are tired. Okay. So before we practice this one, let's continue some questions in number 1A. I think we have completed two questions. Yeah, we have talked about two topics. And the third one is, do you find it easy to sleep during the day? What is your answer? Easy to sleep. Find it easy to sleep during the day?
Sometimes easy, sometimes hard.
Sometimes. Okay. Do you sleep during the day? Do you have time to sleep? Maybe after lunch in the afternoon? Do you have time to sleep? No time. But what about the weekend? Saturday, Sunday, do you have time to sleep
No.
at the weekend? Yes. And do you sleep? Do you sleep at the weekend?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. After lunch or before lunch? What time do you sleep?
No.
No, you don't.
No.
Okay. Um, just write down a few sentences about sleeping during the day. Yeah, sleeping during the day. For example, I tell you some sentences about me. I always take a nap, sleep after lunch. Yeah, maybe about half an hour, or sometimes if I'm very tired, about 1 hour. If I don't sleep, if I don't take a nap, I feel tired in the evening. So I need to take a nap, uh, including weekdays. So I have a break from 12 to 2 o'clock. So I have lunch and then I take a nap. Then I got up around a quarter to 2 and I have a cup of coffee. Then I regain my energy. So this is the way you write down some sentences, okay, about sleeping during the day. Okay, so you want to talk about it? Anyone?
I never sleep during the day. I don't want to make out.
Yeah, you don't want to make it a habit.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I work from Monday to Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
So you start working at 8 o'clock?
uh, if, 7:30.
At 7:30,
Yeah.
yeah.
Start 7:30 to 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So all day long.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't want to make it a habit. Okay.
So my holiday is Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Only one day.
Yeah, only
What do you do on Saturday? Before during the holiday, during the school holiday,
during the school holiday.
or maybe you may say summer holiday, right? Yeah. Excuse me, my wife. Sleeping during the day. Anybody wants to talk about it?
I never sleep during the day on weekday.
Mm-hmm.
On the weekend, sometime after lunch, I have a nap. If I clean my room and if I wash many clothes.
Okay, very good. Now, another topic. Do you ever sleep on public transport? Public transport, okay? Meaning on the bus, on the train, on the plane. Do you ever sleep on the bus? Do you ever sleep on the train? Do you ever sleep on the plane? Have you ever traveled by plane?
No.
No, not yet. And what about train? Have you ever traveled by train? Yes. Where did you go?
Slow down.
So,
Slow down.
Slow down by train.
And try.
I see.
I want to slow down from Sakai to Indo.
So going to Indo by
Indo by train.
train.
And then to there, slow down by car.
By car. Okay. So how many hour did it take on the train to get to Salongdang? From Sagaing to Salongdang, right?
Sakai to Salong.
By train. How many hours did it take?
Let's say
20 hours.
let's say
Okay, so two stops.
Indo တိကိုကျွန်တော်ရထားနဲ့ဆိုတော့ဘာလို့ထိုင်ဆိုင်ညနေလောက်ပဲသွားတာဆိုရင်ညနေရထားတယ်ညနေရထားတဲ့တော့မှဟိုဘာလို့လဲဆိုရင်ည7နာရီ9နာရီလောက်ရတယ်အဲ့ဒီမှာအင်းတော့မှာအဲ့ပြီးတော့မှမနေ့က9နာရီလောက်ကျတော့စလုံးထောင်းတယ်
Okay. So about 4 or 5 hours. Okay. So did you sleep on the train?
No.
No. What did you do on the train? Did you look around?
I was view.
Okay.
View.
Yeah. Okay. So you look at the view. Okay. That's good. So Shemai, do you ever sleep on the public transport?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Of course, when you go to Yangon by bus, that's a nice trip, right? At night, you travel at night. So of course, you sleep. I usually sleep on public transport because it's kind of boring. Boring. You have nothing to do, just sit. Okay. Now, buff phrases number 1, fall asleep, have a nap, and the alarm goes off. Okay. Now, talking about falling asleep, Number one question. Okay, you may write down the questions. Number one question. Okay, and if you want to know, well, don't write it down right now. If you want to know, somebody sleeping hours, so how would you ask? For example, tell you that I go to bed around 10:30. So what is the question for that answer? I go to bed at around 10:30. What time? When do you go to bed, or what time do you go to bed? Okay, write down one question. What time do you go to bed?
What time do you go to bed?
Mhm. Okay, and I sleep about 6 to 7 hours at night. I sleep about 6 to 7 hours at night. So what is the question? How long do you sleep? How long do you sleep at night? Or how many hours do you sleep at night? So my answer is I sleep about 6 to 7 hours at night. And another question you may ask is, do you fall asleep immediately? Do you fall asleep immediately? Me? Yes, I fall asleep immediately. What about you? Do you fall asleep immediately? Do you fall asleep immediately? Yes. Chechen Apio. No. No. I fall asleep immediately. No.
I was, I used the internet.
No. When you just sleep, for example, you use the internet and okay, you just put down your phone and turn it off. Then okay, you decide to go to sleep. Then do you fall asleep immediately? Chechen Apio. Okay.
Phone charge and the line.
Okay. Then you don't fall asleep immediately. Yeah. So how long does it take? Another question. How long does it take to fall asleep? How long does it take to fall asleep? My answer is um, I fall asleep in 5 minutes. I fall asleep in 5 minutes. Okay. How long does it take to fall asleep? Am I 10 minutes? Yeah, that's good enough. Am I, how long does it take?
Sometimes 1 hour.
1 hour.
Oh,
Yeah, turning around. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. So how many hours?
နေမကောင်းတဲ့အခါကျရင်တော့နေ့လည်းမထနိုင်တော့ဘူးပြီးခဲ့တဲ့စနေတုန်းကဆိုရင်မနက်9 နာရီလောက်ကတည်းကတိတ်သွားလိုက်တာလေညနေ9 နာရီခွဲလောက်မှာအဲ့တော့မနေ့ထားယူရတာဆရာကြီးထားရအဲ့မဲ့မအိပ်ရင်တော့လည်းလုံးဝမအိပ်တော့ဘူးဆရာနောက်ပြီးအိပ်ရမယ့်အချိန်လည်းပြောတယ်ဆရာအကုန်လုံး
Okay, another question. Do you wake up during the night? Do you wake up during the night?
Yes.
Do you wake up during the night? So, yeah, I sometimes wake up during the night when I drink some water, yeah, before I go to bed. No?
No, never.
Never. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so just one time. You see. Yeah. So number two is have a nap. Okay. So we have already discussed it. And number three, my alarm clock goes off. You know this meaning? Alarm goes off. Yeah. Yeah. In the morning, for example, my alarm, I set the alarm at 5 o'clock. In the morning, it goes off. Then I just turn it off and then I get up. The alarm goes off. I set the alarm at 5 o'clock. Okay, set the alarm at 5 o'clock. So the alarm goes off at 5 o'clock. Okay, do you use the alarm clock? No, you don't. And number four, do you feel energetic? Okay, write down the question in the morning. Okay, and what about the evening? Do you feel energetic? Do you still feel energetic in the evening? Okay, no. Okay, so do you feel tired in the evening? Okay. And another question, do you sometimes feel tired in the morning? Do you sometimes feel tired in the morning? When you get a when you feel sick, okay, you feel tired, and have a cup of coffee, tea. Okay, so do you have a cup of coffee or tea uh, in the afternoon? Morning. Morning. And okay. And night. Oh, three cups of tea or coffee? Tea or coffee. Coffee. You drink 3 cups of coffee. Yeah. I think this is too much. So you sleep coffee at night. So, but you can still sleep. Oh, no, I can't drink coffee in the evening because if I drink coffee in the evening, I can't sleep. But I always drink coffee after a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap and then when I get up, I have a cup of strong coffee. ဆက်သမီးဒီလိုမျိုးအခုလေဒီနေ့ကိုကော်ဖီကလက်ခင်းတောက်တာနေ့လေညနေမှာတစ်ခွက်လောက်မှထပ်မတောက်လိုက်တာစကားဝိုက်ကတယ် Okay, so you drink coffee in the morning. Say again. I drink coffee in the morning. Say, repeat after me. I drink coffee in the morning, and I drink coffee again in the afternoon. Say, I drink coffee again in the afternoon. If I don't drink coffee in the afternoon, if I don't drink coffee in the afternoon, I have a headache. I have a headache. Headache. I have a headache. Okay. So there are 6 topics: falling asleep, having a nap, the alarm going off, and feeling energetic, feeling tired, and having coffee or tea. Yeah? And something to eat. Do you eat something between meals? Between breakfast and lunch and dinner. So do you eat something? Yes. What do you usually eat? Light snacks? Snacks. You eat some snacks. Yeah, yeah. Do you eat something before you go to bed? Do you eat something before you go to bed? Sometimes. Okay. So now there are 6 topics here. So please make some questions, at least 6 questions right now. Okay, just write down 6 questions. Any question you like.
Homework.
No, not homework right now.
All right.
Yeah, only 6 questions.
The,
Your homework is, sorry? No, 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
1 to 6. We have already talked about that, right? So I asked you many questions. Okay. And then you just write down one question each for one topic. Number 1, fall asleep. So you ask one question. Yeah. Write down one question to ask your friend. For example, do you fall asleep immediately? Yeah. Something like that. Okay. Just one question each. Then your homework is from 7 to 12. 7 to 12. This is your homework. Write down at least 2 questions or maybe 3 questions for each topic. So let's say 3 questions each. There will be 18 questions. Okay? From 7 to 12. This is your homework. Yeah, 18 questions. For example, go to bed. Do you go to bed early? And what time do you go to bed? And do you go to bed early at the weekend? Something like that. Yeah, 3 questions. Very easy question. Just write down. Okay, this is your homework. 1 to 6. 6 questions. Write down now.